Hi, this is James Miller with Tropicasa Realty, and today we're at South Bay, a luxury pre-construction project right in the center of Zona Romantica. Now I'm going to take you on a virtual tour through the project and the surrounding areas. Wow, look at how close we are to Los Muertos Pier. The beach is beautiful. Look at all the people here. Let me see if I can get the drone all the way over to the church. Let me pull that back just in case. Take a look at the progress at South Bay. As you can see, we're building more and more every day. Now take a look at the backside of construction so you can see how that's going. Wow! South Bay is an amazing pre-construction project right here in the center of Zona Romantica. Interested? Contact me for a private tour.